Hello guys, and today I'm doing a bike check. Okay, so first off I'll do my handlebars. My handlebars are they're off a Diamondback because I bent my other handlebars pretty bad, so I had to put some on. My brake is stock. It's an it's a Odyssey. Got ODI grips. Yeah. And next, the tire. I got a Colt tire. Just got them yesterday. It's a tan wall. I got a Fitco hub and Fitco spokes. A HL32 rim. Next to the sprocket. My sprocket is a pretty good sprocket. There it is. So, yeah, it's pretty good. I got a cassette back hub. Eastern seat here. I got a same tire on the back. Black Label pedals. Got the Eastern cranks, stock bearings. I'm changing them. Oh, and my frame is a hold on. Try and get this up. Eastern seat, yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a Eddy 1, and my stem I never had to change because it's pretty good. Yeah. Now to my other seat. I'm gonna put that on soon, but yeah. So that's my bike check, and yeah.